going. Hello, and the winner for our, whatever, right. Hi guys, and the winner for last week's Captain Star Wars competition is, should we do a drum roll? Chris Neal on Twitter. Well done, Chris. I thought we'd run a different type of competition this week, so check out this table. Just take a look at all these fantastic items. Loving the ones on this end of the... So we've got a clappy thing, a remote, these different kinds of parts we've got here, magnets. Take a look, take it all in, and one of these items is going to go missing throughout the show. So what I want you to do is name, just comment the item that has gone missing, and next week we'll announce who's won a fantastic MTD goodie bag. Yeah? Anyways, let's crack on. I thought you would enjoy these CNC fails. Credit to CNC Code on YouTube.
Yikes. Silly boy. That'll hurt in the morning.
Ouch! Wow! Check those CNC fails out. Give us a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed that, and we'll make sure to feature loads more. Blast from the past! Another classic. It's a Hitachi Seiki 4AC25 from 1989. Classic controls, FANUC system 6T. Wow, I can't say that number. 198,259 parts made and still going strong. Tool posts program individually. Do you remember them well? If so, make sure to comment.
So blast from the past, as is usual. I'm going to be working my cameraman hard, so come this way quickly. So Hitachi Seiki UK Limited, I'm reliably informed, and correct me if I'm wrong, these guys are no longer in business, but again I apologise. Next, Egham, Surrey. Look at that telephone number. That is not a mobile phone number. That is how they used to be. This machine is from 1989. What type of machine is it? It is a 4AC25. Cracking old machine, still working strong. So here we got tool posts B and A, or A and B, whatever you want to call them. Here it's got a little end stop there. They put a tailstock in there so they can hold some long parts as well. So still churning away, making some great components. Look at these controls though, absolute belters. FANUC system 6T, beautiful. So what you can do, well actually here, come on Chris, keep up. Parts counter, 198,259, can't even see that. But these tool posts, A and B or 1 and 2, whatever you want to call them, you need to program them individually. So what you do, you've got your switch here, so A and B. Now Chris, back up here please, there you go, just switching over. Nice and simple between the programs, that's it. So this is your 4AC25 Hitachi Seiki, and you know being on blast from the past when you got one of these or a couple of these.
So one of my favourite games when I was a young engineer was Hitachi Heidi and Hitachi Seiki. Get it? It's like hide and seek, but Hitachi and Hitachi Seiki. Brilliant. So Gina asked this week, I'm asking, what is the difference between tool post and turret? Is it turret? Turret. So Gina asked this week, it's all about the differences between tool post and turret. And we go over to Paul, who breaks this down for you in under a minute.
This is an educational video about the differences between a tool post and a turret. A tool post is simply 4 sides here, and this is activated manually. It can hold 4 tools and it will turn your components, and this is a tool post. We'll now go and have a look at a turret. And this is a turret. Again, we're using a similar machine. This is a Dugard 400 MF. The previous machine had a tool post, now this has a turret. And the turret here is in a vertical plane. There's more tool stations on this turret, in fact there's 6, and it's also programmed within the control. So when it indexes to position, that can be done within cycle. Some turrets also allow you to have driven tools, so you can do milling, but it is a more productive method of holding tools and getting more from your machining process. So this is a turret. What we had before was a tool post, and they're the fundamental differences between the two.
So there you go. For more productivity machining, processing, you may look at having a turret which can essentially hold more tools. I heard that you guys loved my history edition on this show last week, so now I'm including On This Day in Engineering, which will highlight engineering and inventions made on this day. So today in 1890, right there, no it's not. So today in 1879, Thomas Edison incorporated the Edison Telephone Company of Europe. So Thomas developed many devices in fields such as electrical power generation, mass communication, sound recording and motion pictures. These inventions, which include the phonograph and motion picture camera and the long-lasting practical electrical light bulb, have had a widespread impact on the modernised industrial world. So there you go, on this day in 1879. Is that right? Check out these pickies from Lucas in our CNC Machinist UK group on Facebook, making big air compressors, crankcases, cylinders up to 2 tons for each part. And he's also part-time, also as a part-time job, he's creating screws on a citizen sliding head. Remember to keep sharing what you're up to so you can feature on this show. Anyway, it's time for network news. Okay, sorry guys, there's some tarmacking going on outside, so you might hear that fantastic, low bass beat happening in this video. So network news this week. A nice little job from Bedford CNC. It's a brass plate, 2mm thick, and will be used as a door entry plate once it is all polished and lacquered. Is it lacquered? Any milled or turned parts required, just get in contact with Andy. Remember to like, follow and subscribe to MTD Network as well. And that's all I've got on the news, unfortunately, because Colin hasn't got anything for me. Sorry guys, Who Wants to Be an Engineer is going to be happening. We're just in the planning process at the moment, so I will keep you in the loop with that. Remember to comment what has gone missing on this table, and you could win an MTD Network goodie bag. So remember all the items that were on this table, which one has gone missing? Yeah, it was all right. It was okay.